everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I want to decorate the cover, or maybe a couple of pages, in this little booklet that I made the other day. And I made these with the Dollar Tree collage cards, and I showed how I did this with my old vintage sort of a cinch. I don't know what you call this kind of binding, but it's like a cinch machine, sort of. So anyway, I got all of these little cutouts from Dollar Tree craft kit for kids, like it was a paper plate craft. And I thought I took a couple of them because it came, you know, like in a package of 6 or 8 or something like that. And I didn't need that many, so I thought I would make a little scene here and use maybe this guy and a tree, maybe, or a pumpkin for my... I don't want to cover up all the pumpkins. Let's see, here's a tree. That's kind of the same color though. Here's a flower. So anyway, I do tend to have a lot more nature-y layouts in my journals. So let's see. Here's one little acorn. I thought I saw an apple or two. Maybe this little apple, but that's red on red there then. I kind of wonder if I want to cut some of the white off. It seems very thick. What about a leaf, like a falling leaf? But then again, that's red on red again. So, in this one, these leaves are too big, I believe. So I think we're gonna go ahead with the... Where'd my little double acorns go? There they are. I think we're going to go with this. Or do I like this better? Actually, I think that shows up better. Let's go with this. I do think I'm going to cut off some of that white. Probably not all of it, though. It just feels like it's a little thick in some spots, you know? I don't want any sharp edges either, so I better put my glasses on. Okay. Okay, so we got this cut off. I think that does look better. Let's do this. Okay, and then around the top here a little. See, in some of the places it's not too thick, and that's where I'm getting into trouble here, because I'm cutting it all off. I don't know, maybe I should just cut it all off. And I will probably speed through the cutting process. I'm afraid I'm going to cut the shape of the little guy badly. Alright, let's do that. Yeah, I kind of like that better, I think. Okay, so I need a little bit on this side. Don't want that on there. And now I just kind of have... Oh, it's too jaggedy. I don't want it jaggedy. And right about here. We've had a couple of rainy days here. And how does that look? I kind of like that better. I did almost bend his tail off there. A little bit up here. There. Okay, so that's going to go like that. And I guess I might as well cut these off too, which I will do off camera and then be back. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I'm not sure if I do like it better without the white. I might do another layout and leave the white on just for the heck of it. But I'm kind of wondering if I want to use this glue because everything is so shiny. I'm not sure if a glue stick will... Well, actually, I did do a glue stick for these, but my cutouts were not shiny also. But I think I will go ahead and try the glue stick. And then if it doesn't stick, I'll use that. I think that's a better choice. So yesterday, I always take my dog out at about 9:30 and I feed the birds and the fish in our pond, and we just have a little tiny pond that we made with a little tiny waterfall. And I think I need to put the tree down first actually because it's slightly behind the fox. And we just bought some goldfish from like Petco, and then we put them in the pond, and they've been there most of the summer, happily swimming away in our pond, but we have a lot of rocks and plants in there, and so sometimes you don't see them. They have a lot of hiding places, so I wasn't sure if they were alive anymore, to be honest, because they eat the algae. They don't come like rushing up to get the food when I put it in. So anyway, went out and did that and came back in, and then a couple hours later actually, I was taking the dog out again for a walk, and something just told me to go check on my pond, and it was completely drained, and I have no idea how it happened. I couldn't find anything really wrong. Some of the rocks for the waterfall had been toppled over. I don't know. They've been like that all since like April, so I don't know if a squirrel could topple them over, but something toppled them over between like 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock, and the whole pond drained. And, you know, there's so many plants and rocks, I couldn't quite tell. You know, there was just a tiny bit of water in there, but I couldn't tell if the fish were still there or not. I didn't see any dead fish floating around, let's put it that way. We also have 3 wild frogs that decided to live in there, and I couldn't see them either, but they come and go, you know what I mean? They don't just stay in the pond. They come out and hunt and stuff. So I wasn't too worried about the frogs, as I know they can take care of themselves. But I was worried about the fish. So when my husband came home a couple hours later, he took all the plants out and moved some of the rocks around, and we found 3 live orange goldfish and 1 black goldfish, which I hadn't seen in weeks. I didn't even think it was still alive. But we had started out with 4 orange goldfish and 1 black. So I don't know if the 4th one died somewhere along the way or if it's still hiding or what, but we do need to bring them in for the winter soon. I didn't really think they would live all summer like that, but they did, and so now we have to take care of them for the winter because the pond is way too shallow to leave them out there in the winter, which is freeze solid. And anyway, this is my first page. I think it's very cute. Let's see. I'm not going to do the very next page. I want to spread these out. Look at that one. I guess it's not upside down. It looks like rainbows. What if we do something with this guy or this guy? I don't like them on top of the blueberries though. This is kind of pretty. What do I want? He looks good there. What about a green apple? That looks kind of cute too, actually. Green leaf, or maybe a little maple leaf? That's too much the same size, I feel like. How about this? That's kind of cute. I'm not sure. Make the leaf. I'm not feeling the overlapping for some reason. I do like the green leaf. What about the red apple? No, I like the green apple better. Let's do that. A little bit of overlapping. And I'm not going to cut off the whites this time. Just for variation. And I'm not sure which I like better, actually. So I think I do need to put the apple down first, because that's got the leaf on top of it. A little bit, slightly. I also still have my Dollar Tree pages that I can cut some out and do some layouts with this, which I think I will definitely do. Maybe not today, but anyway, let's get our little raccoon down. So there we go. There's the second one. And like I said, I'm going to eventually put all these in, but I don't want them just one right after the other. I want to spread them out. So that's my first page. Maybe acorns would look cute. I don't know. Another leaf. All right, well, I think that's it for today. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.